What is testicular torsion? Would you like to learn what that is? Come join me and I'll tell you exactly what it is. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney. And today I want to explain to you what is testicular torsion. Testicular torsion is when the testicle twists upon itself. And when that happens, it can be very damaging to you. Why? Because the blood supply connecting the testicle to the rest of your body can get cut off. And if that blood supply is not returned back to its normal function, what will happen is that the blood supply will cut off and the testicle will die. That's known as necrosis. And if that testicle is not untwisted within the appropriate window of opportunity, you have a very limited time in which to do that, then it will be irreversible. And then you will actually need surgery to remove the dead testicle. Now, why do I even bring this up? I bring this up because I've handled cases involving children and men who've had this condition, and they've gone to the emergency room, they've gone to their doctor, and they have not timely recognized that the person has a twisted testicle. Now, this is a painful topic for any man, any child listening to this. Why? Because it is a painful condition. Typically, this type of condition will show up when the child or the man has groin pain. All of a sudden they feel very uncomfortable. It's going to be really, really painful in the groin, in the testicular area. And nobody really likes to talk about this, but the reason I bring this up is because of the cases I've handled in the past. These have been the symptoms that have come up over and over again. And through my research and speaking to medical experts and surgeons, they have told me that you have a specific window of opportunity within which to get to an emergency room, get to the hospital, and have them literally untwist that testicle. They do a number of tests to see whether or not there's good blood flow. There's something called the Doppler blood flow. They use ultrasound images and they use computerized imaging to determine whether or not there's blood flowing through there. And if not, they have to take you to the operating room, untwist that testicle as soon as possible. Now, you may ask, what's the big deal? Well, the big deal is that number one, it's extremely painful. And number two, it may affect your fertility. Chances are, if you're watching this, you have questions and concerns about whether your testicular torsion was timely diagnosed and treated. And if your matter happened here in the state of New York, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I answer legal questions like yours all the time. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks so much for watching.